Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just finished filming my pregnancy update, so I'm jumping right into my Stitch Fix haul for this month. It's the beginning of August now, so obviously I have my Stitch Fix box that came in, and typically I have them delivered the last few days of the month so I can go ahead and get my update filmed for the following month. And my stylist does know that I'm pregnant, and she has been sending me, I think, some maternity pieces and then some just like looser fitting clothes. So I'm interested to see what she sent. I still am having just random stylists. I haven't kept one yet, but I did talk to Britt Hanlon via Instagram and she's coming back soon. And I'm thankful because my boxes really need her love. Like, she just kind of, I feel like we have the same style, so it makes it easier for me to get stuff that I really like. So I'm gonna zoom you guys out a little bit. Ignore all my husband's water cups, like it's a problem. So I have my style card in my bag to send it back in for stuff I don't like. And oh, this is a pretty good preview this time. This is a pretty, like, what do you call it, like aesthetically pleasing. I did a few different prints in there. Okay, well, right off the bat, I think this is a dress. It feels like it's a good heavy material, and it is a maxi dress. So the top looks like this. It just has some, looks like black and white, maybe a dark navy. I feel like it's black and white stripes. 3/4 sleeves, and I actually really like the color of the bottom. It's like a forest green floral, and the bottom is super thick. I'll be honest, I don't think I like the stripes and the floral together. I know this is like a trend, but it's not my favorite trend. Oh, but it has pockets. So that might change the game because I love dresses that have pockets. So I am going to try this on. Another thing with maxis too is that it's never really the right length for me, but we will see. This next thing is, this feels so nice. This is a silk top, and definitely I think more for work, which I am in need of some more work tops, but this feels so nice for summer. And this actually is a maternity top. It is the Full Moon Sabria Maternity Crew Neck Blouse Top. And it is in the size medium. And I forgot to tell you guys the dress. And this dress is also maternity by Luxe & Co. It is the Bernice Maternity 2-for Knit Maxi Dress in medium. So those two are nice. The floral is definitely good for like the summer. This next thing I think may also be a dress. Okay, it is. This is a black dress, it looks like, and it does have the cinching around the waist. So I think I'm still a little bit early to have all that cinching on the waist, but I do want to try it on. Obviously, I love that it's a dress because with maternity, I really love dresses. And unfortunately, when I'm at my biggest, it's going to be fall and straight dead of winter here in Iowa. So I won't be wearing many dresses. But this is by Lovapella, and it is the Greta Knit Ruche Maternity Dress in the size of medium. Okay, this next thing is more stripes, and it's another, oh, it's a top. It's not a dress, although the first thing I noticed is this back detail, which is nice for a lot of maternity shirts or just kind of like plain Jane. I really like the back of this one, and I believe this is navy. Yes, so it's navy and like forest green stripes, which is just a nice little twist on regular stripes. And this is a Stitch Fix exclusive, it says, by the brand Skies Are Blue Maternity. This is the Angela Maternity Back Detail French Terry Knit Tee. And then the last thing is another, oh, it's a top, which is nice. This is a cold shoulder type top. As you can, is it? Oh yes, it is. As you can tell right here. And then it is layered. So is this a nursing top? I feel like this could be a nursing top. I'll know for sure when I try it on. but this is the thyme, as in like the seasoning thyme. Jasmine Maternity Nursing Panel Cold Shoulder Knit Top in medium. I definitely think it's a little bit early for me to be buying nursing tops, but I like that she was thoughtful and really took notice that obviously I am currently expecting. And I love how the top of this looks, how it is the double layer. So yeah, let's go ahead and try these on. So here's the first top, the cold shoulder kind of tank shirt. And it is nursing. As you can tell, when you lift it up like this, it's easy to kind of like pull over to nurse the babies, which is actually really, really nice. And I like how this fits. However, this would have to be a postpartum top because there's no way I'll be able to wear this for very long because there's not that much stretch in the shirt, which is kind of surprising. So the fact that I can only really wear this probably for like a few weeks now and then postpartum makes me have to really think about this one. Here is that blue and forest green striped shirt. I really like this one, even though it is a plain top. I really like the back detail. Hopefully the tag is not blocking it, but I love the crisscross detail of the back. And the shirt is pretty long. My waist is right here. So it is pretty long where I could wear it over leggings like I'm wearing right now, or wear it with like a pair of work slacks. So definitely this top is going to be a yes for me. This next top is the floral top. It's kind of big, like it just feels really big. I know it's a maternity top, but wearing it right now just kind of looks like I bought my shirts too big. So when I'm big enough to really fill this shirt out, it's gonna be getting probably a little bit too cold here. So I'm not sure about this one. Depending on the price, I might keep it because it is very, very comfortable and probably will be a very, very nice postpartum shirt. Even though it's gonna be the dead cold of January, I will be inside a lot of my postpartum days, so we'll see. Okay, this next one is the black dress. As you can tell, or maybe not tell, it goes just like right above the knee for me. It's a very interesting length because it's like exactly on my knee, but it is very like form-fitting, and you can definitely tell that there's little babies growing in here. It's okay, it's very comfortable. However, the bust area is very, very tight, and I can only imagine I'm going to grow even more. So I wish the top was a little bit bigger right here, but I fear if I buy a bigger dress, it's just gonna look longer and like not right. So this one I'm not really sure on. I think I need more time to think about this one. Here is the maxi dress. I'm really kind of underwhelmed. The top fits fine. There's plenty of room for like stretching. It's really long on me when I'm just standing like still. It could really use to come up a few inches. I mean, it's dragging the floor. And again, I'm not crazy about the stripe print with the floral, even though I know that's like a new trend for this season that I keep seeing everywhere. The bottom to me is a little bit scratchy, but the top is like super soft. So if this was just like a dress out of this fabric, I would keep it. But I can tell I'm not going to wear this dress most likely. So it's unfortunate because I would have liked to love both dresses, but I don't. Okay, now that I'm back on my bed, let's go ahead and look at prices. I'm definitely underwhelmed by this box. The only thing that I really, really loved was the striped shirt. And I probably will keep that depending on how much it is. So let's see who I got for a stylist this time. It's a girl named Kate. So if you like this box, you can request her, but I'm not sure how many Kates they have working for them. I wish they had like a stylist number or something. But let's go ahead and look at the prices really quickly. Okay, so not the most expensive box that I've ever gotten before. It's pretty standard. If I were to buy all 5 minus my $20 off, it'd be $185 for everything, which is not a bad deal considering you're getting 2 nice dresses and 3 nice tops. But let's go ahead and start with this maxi dress. The Lux & Co. maxi dress is $68. Not going to keep it. I just don't like it. It's not really my thing, I guess. I was kind of like underwhelmed by it. Just the plain black Lavapella black dress is $68. Again, I'm not crazy in love with this. I feel like I would like it more when I was like way bigger, but I'm gonna be a lot bigger in late fall when it's already getting cold here in the Midwest. So most likely I would get really big, not be able to wear it until postpartum, and it doesn't make sense to buy postpartum stuff right now. So I'm just gonna say no for right now. If I change my mind and I get upset about it, I can just go to Target and probably buy it for cheaper, just to be honest. This top right here, this full moon one that I really like, it's $44, and I really love the way this feels on me. It'll look good throughout the summer as I am getting bigger, and it will be nice and comfy for postpartum. Even though I don't want to buy postpartum right now, I do feel like this is still going to be very comfortable, so I'm going to put this over here in the maybe pile. And then my favorite top right here, which is the Skies Are Blue maternity top, is $48. Definitely going to keep this one. I love this top so far. And then this last one, which is the nursing top that I showed you from Time Maternity, the cold shoulder, is $46. And I like this top. I have a lot of cold shoulder, obviously not nursing cold shoulder, but again, I think it's still a little bit too early to start, you know, stocking my closet full of maternity stuff, not maternity stuff, of nursing stuff. And I'm just not crazy about the shirt in general. I do like how it fits. I mean, I wish it had like a pattern on it and it wasn't so plain or something. So because I'm not in love with it, I know I won't wear it. So I'm gonna say no to that one as well. So I'm just gonna keep these two tops. Again, I'm not really super excited about anything except for this striped top right here, because I do love the forest green and navy. I hope it can even pick it up on camera. It probably isn't even picking it up, but it is forest green and navy stripes, and it's super like thicker, so it'll be a little bit warmer. And of course my camera died at the very end of that. So the two that I'm going to be keeping are the Skies Are Blue maternity top and the blue top right here. So my total for those two would be, so it'll be $70 for both of those tops together, which I found that maternity clothes are expensive anyways. At Motherhood Maternity, I felt like everything was really expensive. So I'm fine with spending that because I'm going to be able to wear both of these shirts from now probably until close to the end and then afterwards. So I'm totally fine with it. But I am a little bit underwhelmed, I'll be honest, this time. I really can't wait for Brittany to be back from maternity leave, from having her baby. But thank you guys so much for watching my haul. Of course, there's always a link in the description box for you to try it out as well if you want to. But that's all for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.